Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free of cost photo editor softwares for both professional and non-professionals. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website game.org. I'll be providing this website link in the video description, so you can directly click there and visit to this website. So once you visit to this website, you can see the software name as game. If you have never heard about this software, then you should definitely download it and try it out today. And I will show you why I'm recommending this free of cost software to you as for a professional or a non-professional purpose. So you firstly download and install it as by clicking on the download, or you can click here to download. And the good thing is that this software is available for different OS platforms like Linux, Mac OS, even for Microsoft's computers, that is for Windows computers, and even some other more platforms. So you can choose your respective platform OS and download this software for your respective OS platforms. So firstly, you download and install it. So after installing, just open or run the game software. So on running the game software for the first time, you can see its layout, that is the user interface. It looks almost the same like the Adobe Photoshop. If you're quite familiar with the Adobe Photoshop, then you can find it more familiar with Adobe Photoshop. And it's very popularly known as the best alternative for Adobe Photoshop. And the good thing is that it's totally free of cost. Now, so let me open one or import one picture file. So on opening the picture file, you can see on the left panel here are some of the buttons and useful tools to customize. Say you can see a blur, you can see here cloning tools, you can see eraser tools, brush, pen brush, you can fill colors, even this select tools, even this one free select tools. Lots of options, almost similar to the Adobe Photoshop. So if you're in a need of free of cost photo editors for your professional or non-professional purposes, then you can definitely consider this free of cost software called game. So I'll not discuss much about how to edit, how to do. If you're not familiar, then you can directly try yourself and learn by yourself, and I'm sure it will gonna help you for you in both professional and non-professional purpose. So this is the first and useful free of cost software that I want to show you. Now let's jump to the second software which I want to show you. So once again, you open any web browser and you visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description. So once again, you can click there and visit to this website. So after you visit to this website, you can see our software name is Darktable. So why I'm recommending this too, because if you are in a need of like a Adobe Lightroom software which can perform exactly like the Adobe Lightroom software, then this Darktable, which is a totally free of cost software, is almost similar to the Adobe Lightroom software. So firstly, you can see here install. Just click on install, and now here you will get a different platform OS. So if you're using a Mac OS, then you can download for Mac OS. If you're using a Ubuntu, that is a Linux, different flavors for Linux. And if you're using a Windows computer, then select this Windows and download your respective version of this software. So firstly, you download and install it, and after installing, just run or open that software. So you can see almost it looks similar to the Adobe Lightroom. So you can see on the left panel in the import, just click on image, or you can import the folder also. So I'm importing one picture again. So you can see here, so on the right side panel, like exactly like the Adobe Lightroom, you can see exactly different options for customizing. Even you can see darkroom, light tables. Even on the left side, you can see a color pickers options, and even you can select the options light tables, darkroom. So you can select for others option, map, slideshow, tethering, and you can just turn on these options to edit your various flavors. You can see here, you can change colors. It's almost exactly the same user interface like the Adobe Lightroom, but a good thing is that it's totally free of cost. So what are you waiting for? So download this two very best free of cost photo editors in your respective platform OS and try it out today. And if you feel any difficulty in understanding or using these two software, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.